Peace and blessings, rays of light. I'm Moya, and I would love to wish you happy holidays. The holidays are over. No, they're not. Every day that you wake up is a holiday. It's a day of festivity and celebration when you get to get up and manifest your dream and your life's purpose. So I want to remind you that it's no particular day to celebrate your life and to go out there and actually shine. So here's a reminder. Yeah, open up the gift. It's a star, just like you. I just want to remind you to don't let anyone or anything dim your light, including yourself. Now go out and shine like the star you are today and always. Peace and blessings.